we're at 300 Goldvein Drive in River Bluff subdivision, right outside of Fredericksburg, off of River Road. It's fantastic property. It's on 5.5 acres. This has 4/5 bedrooms and a study and a office space as well. It's a great house. Let's go take a look at it. Coming into this beautiful, your first thing that gets your eyes on these hardwood floors are fantastic. It's got a formal dining room over here. As you come in. Formal living room over here. It's got some nice finishing touches up here with beautiful carpet in here. Make a nice little formal setting. You got nice tall ceilings. I like that with crown molding. Again, you got the hardwood floors. You got a powder room over here. And then with a bedroom here, we'll check out a down. I'm sorry to interrupt, Audrey, but this is a one-floor, first floor bedroom. It's not the master, but it's a separate bedroom. It's the 5th bedroom. It's a nice spot. You can use it as an office and a bedroom, but there's a closet here. Living closet or coat closet here as well. Then come into this cool family room. It's got a fireplace that gas, and if you get down, when you check it out, it's a two-way fireplace. So fire both sides. It's got some really nice built-ins, crown molding. This kitchen is fantastic. I love the fireplace in here. Again, it's a two-way fireplace. Got a little breakfast nook here, beautiful granite countertop. There's a two-way fireplace with a hearth. I mean, this is old style cooking. You got a gas stove here, upgraded appliances. This is you got the beams here. It's like something out of the 1900s or so. So got a pantry here, but with all the conveniences up there. Cool little desk here. That's nice. You can keep yourself organized. You know that's something that I excel at. Organization. It's still on the first floor. We're going to go down here and got the master suite on the first floor. That's what everybody wants, but this place has it. Again, another two-way fireplace that's immediately grab your attention. Have a nice little spot over here where you can put a little desk or sitting area, read a book. In the morning, you've got a beautiful, it overlooks the back of the yard. It's beautiful landscaped, and Rolling Hills, an extremely private lot. Place for a California king, if you want to. It's got the old shutters on the windows, which are really nice. You got a his closet here, and a gigantic curved closet here. The bathroom. Got the master bath, nice tile floors. It's a sucking tub, a useful one with the jets. That's nice. Again, with the it's got an intercom system that kind of dates it shows the age of the house. It was built in 95. You wouldn't guess that. It's in such great condition. Let's go outside here before we go upstairs, Aubrey. I want to show you this off of the kitchen. We got this awesome deck. Again, with some slate landscaping down there, and real peaceful. This is a busy day, and as you can see, there's nobody out here. It's just very, very, very peaceful. 5.5 acres. So let's go back in and check out the upstairs. You got hardwood floors throughout. The granite looks great. I love the dark cabinets. So the master goes on the first floor, and then there's a second bedroom on the first floor as well. So this home would really accommodate a big family. Don't forget the camera adds 10 pounds. So you come up here, there's a Jack and Jill bedroom as soon as you come into the right. I like Jack and Jill's. I think that's a pretty slick design, personally. Yeah, it's got the tub back there in the library. And then the second bedroom right here with closets. Ka-ching, ka-chang. 2 bedrooms. Bedroom number 3, which is great. Look at this one girl with this. Look at that closet. That's bigger than my master closet. Full bedroom, full bath here. Got one of these little sitting nooks, and it overlooks the backyard, which is fantastic. I don't know, Aubrey, if this yellow would work in your room or not, but we also have this room, which is not a bedroom, but it's an awesome room. This could be a homeschooling room if you want to do something like that. I can see desk all the way around here. You got plenty of plugs. Can't be called a bedroom because there's no closet, but it's a very useful room. Make a great sewing room, project room, whatever you're into room. So 3 full bedrooms here, up here, with the project room. 1/2 bedrooms downstairs, so a lot of space. But wait, there's more. We got an unfinished basement here too. What I like about this unfinished basement, it's got a door, French door, and windows, so you got natural light coming in here, so perfect spot for your man cave, pool table, picnic table, not picnic table, ping pong table. And I find that some people don't like man cave too much either, so. But hey, I'm a little old school that way. You got unfinished space here. We make another bedroom. If you wanted to throw a 7th bedroom in here, you certainly have a good place for it. Again, good space here. I'd say it's probably, I don't know, it's big enough to put anything you want. You have a family room here, a game center over there if you want. Another room over here. You got not 1, but 2 water heaters. So this is a huge house, very big house. You got all kinds of built-ins. It's at Riverbend High School. It's $524,900 in River Bluff neighborhood. Come check it out before it's gone. Thanks. Keith again, just want to recap, 300 Goldvein, Fredericksburg, Virginia, River Bluff neighborhood, Riverbend High School in Spotsylvania County, a short ride from Fredericksburg and Locust Grove.